Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is a crochet wig tutorial. I did start off using the free tress braided wig cap. It's a crochet cap that does have combs in the front, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. So it's a perfect foundation if you are a beginner and you like for your wigs to be super secure. I also love the braided caps because it does give you a nice guideline as to where to install the hair, and that's what I like about the braided caps. So this is the hair that we'll be using today. It's brand new hair from Main Concept. It's called short shag, and it really gives that 4C curly vibe. Now this is not pre-looped, but it does come in small sections in the pack, so you can just use each section when you're installing the hair. So I literally just separated the section as it came out of the pack, and that's how thick it was. So I just used the regular crochet method, stuck the needle under the hook, stuck the needle through the braid, and then just crocheted the hair in. After using those two full pieces, I decided that I would need to pull the pieces in half because it was a lot of hair. So that last piece on the edge is a half of section. So I started using the half sections. So this is how I space the hair apart. You definitely want to space the hair apart, because if you put the hair too close to each other, it's going to be extremely thick and way too much hair. Okay, so that's what I was showing you guys. So I didn't use the full section that it came in the pack with. I literally just like pulled the section apart. I hope this makes sense. If it's confusing you guys, just ask me questions in the comments and I'll clarify it. But basically what I'm trying to say is, when you take the hair out of the pack, each section is going to come apart by itself, but you want to split that in half again. Okay, so and then you want to spread the hair out. So when I did this hair, I used 2 full packs of the short shag of hair. Do you need that much hair? No, you definitely do not, because this unit was super duper full. But to me it looks natural because this is what my natural hair looks like. Okay, so if you want it to look natural, you have to think about what your natural hair looks like and base it on that. Like if my hair was this length, it would naturally look like this. And I love this hair because to me it mimics 4C natural girl hair to a T, to perfection. And I love that about this hair. Like they really took their time to figure out what looks good. So I decided to make this unit a bang unit because I love curly bang units because they're just effortless. Like you don't have to do a lot to make them look good, but you do have to cut them to frame your face. So I cut this unit, I cut the bang out of the front while it was on the mannequin head, but the rest of the cutting I'm going to do with it on my head because it needs to frame my face, not the mannequin's face. Okay, so I just cut it a little bit. Who's that, baby? Tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way I move that. So here's me putting it on my head, and yes, it looks insane. It looks really crazy, but I'm gonna work it out, you guys. Like I'm gonna work it out and it's gonna look bomb. So I'm not gonna talk too much more. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me cut the hair, and yeah, I'll come back with some more comments before it's all over. Have a good time, baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time, baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy ya, say she give me pommy ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine.
Man, I grind, say she give me dirty one, say. Girl, say my whining, let me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man, a bad man, a bossing at the thing so. Girl, put me yard, see me put me yard. Me na pillow one, say she give me filler one. Say let me the villa one, say she give me filmer one. Aye. Man, a one, say she give me for me yard, say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place, ah. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain, ah. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bumbuck like them are watching. They are pretty about that. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
All right, you guys, so this is the finished look after cutting and trimming this hair. I absolutely love this hair, you guys. It is just so cute. It's giving me like a black girl realness right here, okay? This is like bomb, natural, full, thick, curly, gorgeous hair. Like, it is just giving me so much life. It's making me want my hair to grow so fast. As you guys know, I did a big chop like the other day, and this hair is making me like, yes girl, come on, keep going. Keep that natural hair growing and shining, because soon, sis, you gonna have that look. This look right here, I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. This wig was so easy to make. I made it so quickly, and this is going to be a perfect throw on and go wig, you guys. It has the bangs. It has the natural curl pattern. It looks like 4C hair. It mimics the way our hair does. Like, baby, all you gotta do is throw some braids in. You don't even need to have braids. This hair is so thick and full. You could throw your hair in a ponytail, stick it on, and be ready to go. With the bangs, it's like you don't even need that much makeup on. Like, it covers. This is just a throw on and go wig, sis. Like, this is the type of wig that you need in your life to just have. Because honestly, like, you throw it on and walk out the door. I love this hair. You guys need to go check it out. I haven't wear tested the hair. I just did this style and I'm bringing it to you now. So I'm not sure how the hair will perform over time. But sis, and it only took me 2 packs. Like, this is only 2 packs. So if you want a less full look, you can easily do 1 pack or a pack and a half and be good. Like, this is 2 full complete packs on my head, and I really don't think you need that much. But you know, it's totally up to you. I actually really like this look, and at first I was saying I probably wouldn't go out with this hair like this, but for real, like, I probably would. Honestly, I probably would, because it's just stunning. It's super gorgeous, and if I go somewhere and I want all eyes on me, I want everyone in the place to be asking, who is that wig? Who is that wig? Yes, y'all need to be asking, who is that wig? No, I want them to be asking, who is that girl with all that beautiful hair? Like, I need to know who she is. Yes, you do. Get on the winning team. You need to know Just the Dragoness. Anyway, you guys, you know I'm up here just bugging out. Definitely check out this hair. Yeah, it's a win. It's for the win for me. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next one.